Hello, today I'm in Tesla Model Y. In this video I'll show you how to change side mirror's position. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Car. Now enter Mirrors and select side mirror between left and right. Now, to adjust its position, we have to twist this button upwards and downwards. Or push it left and right, like this. And that's basically it. Now you can save side mirror position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.